Did you know that while you are designing in CET Material Handling Edition, you can switch between perspective and orthographic camera views? Go to your 3D drawing view and click on the Perspective button. This allows you to open up your different options. From here, you can choose either perspective or orthographic. The orthographic view has standard views available, which will show multiple 2D views of your drawing, each aligned to show the true dimensions without perspective distortion. You'll just select the standard view that you would like to see, to be able to see your space in that specific orthographic view. To change back to perspective view, you can click on the Perspective button. To minimize the camera view window, click on this larger button on the top. You can also change camera views by right-clicking in your 3D drawing view and selecting Change to Orthogonal View or Change to Perspective View.